Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Today I'm cooking some back bacon rashers, thick cut, 6 in a pack, and I've got one egg in there left, so just the one. These eggs, when I bought them, look, they're reduced to clear. From Marks and Spencer's, they were originally 130, reduced to 56p for 6 eggs, mixed eggs at that. So I've also got a couple of milk buns, which I was going to use with the sausages, but I've decided not to. And I've got a bit of Kerrygold that's in the tub. It's been in the fridge, so it's rock solid. I'll be lucky if I can get through it. But I'm making a breakfast roll for me and the grandson, so he's asked for that for breakfast, so that's what we're having. Right, so the pan's on, knob of butter, and a spatula. Oh, pair of tongs. I felt I might have to hit my frying pan with a hammer, see if I can flatten it out a bit. Giving it the wibble wobble. Right, bit of bacon in there. There we go. Lovely. So we'll just let that do its thing. Just straighten that bit out there. There we go. Oh yes, looking good. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Any comments, likes, shares, all of the above. Thanks for watching, people. It's appreciated. Hope you're having an amazing day today. And yeah. Been out, watered the garden already with a watering can because we're on a hosepipe ban, which is helpful. Right. Do your bit, I suppose, isn't it? Oh yeah. Have a bit of that. Right. Just move it around in the pan a bit. This over here is going to be hotter than over here, so yeah, as you can see from that, well, depending on how good the pan is, I suppose. If I move it that way a bit, and this is going to get more heat here and less heat here, so this isn't going to blacken as much. Blacken? Maybe not blacken. Cook as much as this side. Just going to move that over to that side, like that. Get a couple of buns in there. Cool. There's one done. Got one in there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the bacon from the pan, so I don't overcook it too much. Leave some of them juices in there. So I suppose it's a bit like a fried bread roll. If I can get it under there. If I can get a bit of butter in there. Not broke that one, that'd be more one there. Look at the colour difference. 56p for 6, and I don't know how much they are from Tesco's for eggs, but you know, these are usually £1.30, and they're white eggs, aren't they? Look at the colour difference, it's huge. Which one would you prefer? If you want to leave it in the comments, would you prefer having this one or this one? I know which one I'd rather have. I know which one I'm going to end up having. That'd be the one with the chili flakes and the pepper on. I'll try not to cross-contaminate them, because he won't be happy with me if I do. That'd be alright. Bacon's looking just about there, isn't it? This egg looks alright. Right, okay, get some bacon in there. Looks good. And that's his egg. And Grandad's going to end up with a not the best looking egg, but you know, it's alright. I could cook another one, I suppose, but why would you waste it? So, what's his egg like? Just about cooked, I think. There you go. The difference between cheap and expensive, I suppose. I have to find out how much the eggs are. Right. So I thought his egg was a little bit loose, so I've just tucked it in the pan for a little bit more. There you go. Spider-Man and not so Spider-Man. Right. There it is. In a milk bun. Oh, I know what I've forgotten. In the next video, maybe I'll put some in. Can't believe I forgot. Everyone, enjoy your day. I'll see you later. Bye bye.